Aeterna Fast Sun. Aeterna Fast Sun is the new gas boiler from STEP with integrated management of additional renewable energy sources in the most efficient way. Aeterna Fast Sun is patented by STEP. From the hydraulic diagrams, you can see the innovative design and the many advantages of our Sun system. We have illustrated a scheme where, in addition to the boiler, there is a storage tank, a solar source, a biomass system, which could be a wood gasification boiler, a pellet boiler, a heat pump, a thermo chimney, and so on. In this scheme, the heating plant is linked to the wall-hung boiler and not to the storage tank as per traditional schemes. See the functionality. The water is heated by the wall-hung boiler and it is sent to the plant. It parts towards the radiator and towards the hydraulic compensator of the floor heating. Once the water has become cold, it returns towards the boiler. At point TR, the temperature of the heating return water is measured. If at point T1 the temperature is lower than point TR, the three-way valve VM remains closed and the water is kept in the boiler. The solar or additional boiler biomass is the storage tank. Then follows scheme 2. The solar panel is heating the storage tank. The store warms up gradually. When the temperature at point T1 is higher than at TR, the mixing valve VM opens. The gas boiler supplies water, for example at 36 degrees, and takes water, for example at 45 degrees. The boiler will supply only the necessary energy in order to raise the water from 45 degrees to the requested temperature, for example 55 degrees. If the storage temperature continues to rise, scheme 3 refers. The storage temperature rises and the boiler functions without ignition, and if the storage temperature remains higher than Tm and Tr, the mixing valve VM mixes system return water with storage tank water. Scheme 4. To produce hot sanitary water, the boiler has a plate heat exchanger able to transfer heat with low delta T. The three-way valve VD diverts the flow on the sanitary circuit, excluding the heating. Scheme 5. If the solar radiation is very strong and the storage reaches 80 degrees, the system carries out an efficacious anti-Lyme action. The mixing valve VM starts to mix, keeping a temperature in the exchanger not higher than 72 degrees, preventing the unwanted phenomenon of calcareous deposit. Aeterna Sun is the new STEP wall-hung boiler able to manage a renewable energy source in the best way. Aeterna Sun project is patented by STEP.